Oh, this is 17?
Okay, number 17. It started again, it got cut off. So what we're going to do, there's 4 things here. You look to see if you can group them. This one right here has the x cubed in common. So we'll put x cubed on the outside. It'll be multiplied by what? X plus what? 2. Okay, so we want x plus 2 over here. Here we have the x. We need to get this term right here. So what do we need in front? Minus 3. Is that going to give us a negative 6? Negative 3 times 2. Yes. Okay, so we've got that. Now, we want to write our x plus 2 that we have in common. We'll write it as our first factor. And then the second one, x3 minus 3. Is this a perfect square or anything that could be factored? No, so we're done. Okay, number 18 is 80 minus 5x to the 4th power. They're not perfect squares because 5 cannot be squared. Well, it can be, it's just not a perfect number. Okay, do they have anything in common? 5. So 5 times what is 80? 16?
16, yes.
Okay, and then we have a minus x to the 4th. Okay, can anything be factored out of that? No greatest common factor. What is this? A difference of squares, right? So we're going to, 16 is 4 times 4. X to the 4th is x squared. Okay, don't forget our 5. What about our signs? A plus and a minus. Signs. Okay. How about, can we factor any more?
Yeah.
We have a difference of squares again. So, we're going to factor that part. Let's go ahead and bring our other part down. I'm sorry, plus x. So we brought the 5 down, the 4 plus x down. Now we're going to factor this. 4 minus x squared is the 2 times 2, and x times x, signs, plus and minus. Do we have another one we can factor now? Is there still a difference of squares? No? That's as far as we can go. Okay, that's number 18. Now, number 19. 4x squared minus 4x minus 15. Okay, is there anything that we could factor? Do they have in common? Anything we can factor out? No? Okay, so we're going to have to do a little playing with the numbers. Because 15 could be 1 times 15 or 3 times 5. We need it to subtract to give us a 4. We need subtract to give us a 4. We have 1 times 15 and we have 3 times 5. Our other term 4 can either be 1 times 4 or 2 times 2. Or 2 times 2. So we'll have 1 times 4 or 4 times 1. Okay, we need to subtract to give us a 4. So if we do, let's do the 2 times 2 first. It won't be as crowded. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 15 is 30. That does not subtract to give us a 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 5. Oh, good. We don't even have to do the other side. 6 and 10 subtracts to give us 4. Cool, huh?
What am I doing?
Okay, so we have a 3. Let me make this clearer. We have 3 times 5 is how we're going to factor out our 15, and 2 times 2 will be our 4. So let's get rid of some of this mess up here. Okay, so we have our, we know our 4, we use the 2 times 2. So it would be 2x times 2x. So it really won't matter where we put our 3 and 5 for our 15. The 3 and the 5, because either way it's going to be times 2. Here we have our 6, here we have our 10. Okay, so we needed a 4 for the middle term. Do we need a positive or negative 4? Negative 4. So the 10 should be negative and the 6 should be positive, right? So negative 5, right? And this will be a positive to get a positive 6. And does either of those look like you'll be able to factor any common factor, anything out of it? No. These don't have anything in common, and neither do the second two. So we're done. Number 20. 6t cubed plus 9t squared minus 15t. Do they have anything in common? T and a 3. Okay, so to get 6t cubed, 2t squared plus 3t minus 5. Alright. Okay, let's see. 5 only can be 1 times 5, right? So let's go ahead and try it. It may work, it may not. But we know 1 times 5 here. The only way to get 2 is 1 times 2, but we have 2 places we could put them. So let's try. We need to subtract to get 3. So if we have 1 times 2, we'll have a 1 and a 10. That will not subtract to give us 3, right? So let's try, instead of 1, 2, let's try the 2, 1. Instead of a 2 in the first one, we'll put the 1 here and the 2 here. This gives us a 2 and a 5. Do those subtract to give us 3? Yes. And we need a positive 3. So positive 5, negative 2. So we need the x's also after these first terms. Okay, so the t's, I'm sorry. Yeah, we need t's after these. And we don't need the 1. So we have t, the negative 2 will be, make this one a minus, positive 5, this one will be a positive. So, do these look like anything we could factor any farther? No. T minus 1 can't be, and 2t plus 5 can't be. So we're done. That's number 20. Number 21. Is 3m squared minus 9 mn minus 30 n squared. Now, do they have anything in common? 3? A letter? No. No, okay. So we have m squared minus 3